Ladies and gentlemen, today we'll be teaching you how to change your car's light bulb.
According to statistics, nearly half of all traffic-related fatalities occurs in the dark, despite only 25% of the traffic traveling in the dark. This shows how important it is to have a good working headlights.
So make sure that you pick the correct light bulb with the right size. And in this case, we are using size H4.
Lift up the bonnet. Locate where the light bulbs are. Remove the rubber cover. Unlock the bulb locking pin. Carefully remove the bulb. We don't want it to be broken inside. Never touch the glass area of the bulb using bare hands, as halogen bulbs will be operating at extreme heat. Traces of grease from the fingers on the glass of the bulb will cause the surface to heat up unevenly and causes cracks. Insert the bulb into the headlamps and fasten the locking pin. Put back the rubber cover and ensure that it's sealed tight. The rubber cover is to seal the headlamps from water. Ever seen those headlamps which we call aquariums? Probably they forgot to tighten this part. And you're done. For some older cars, over time, your headlamps will start to fade and get hazy. Let us show you a tip to make your headlamps look new again.
And in order to see the comparison between the two, we will place a masking tape in between to show the difference.
Clean the headlamps with water and soap. When it's dry, apply some toothpaste to the hazed part of the headlamp. Polish it thoroughly and wipe it clean with a damp cloth. Repeat until shining smoothly. Okay, final wipe. Put it away. We're gonna review it now. Okay, pull it slowly. Okay, yeah. Okay. Wow.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we sure hope that you enjoyed this week's episode.
We hope you learned something new today.
Yes, something new today. Make sure you pick the correct
Oh, wait. You have to unlock the hook. And it's hurting already. But I'm smiling.